Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any website on the browsers in TOSHIBA AT10A. And to do this, first let's open a Google Chrome just to show you that it doesn't work. And when we try to reach any website like youtube.com, there's an error. Now to fix this, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find date and time. Here make sure that you're using automatic date and time settings and go back to the browser. If you try to refresh it, it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.